Pandemic is also affecting the backlog of cases in the Allen County court system.
The Indiana Supreme Court handed down a decision on Monday suspending jury trials statewide until at least March 1st. Fort Wayne's NBC reporter Jeff Newmeyer joins us live outside the Allen County Courthouse now with more on the challenges that order is creating. Jeff.
Yeah, Tom, Linda, I'm told there was about a 1-year backlog in the local criminal courts before COVID-19, but now knowing that there can't be any in-person jury trials to take place in Indiana until at least March the 1st, the problem will certainly only get worse. I can tell you that officials at our local courthouse had suspended jury trials until January 11th because of a surge of COVID-19 cases in the community. But Indiana's High Court has beefed up the suspension statewide. Referring to the threat of spreading the coronavirus by way of in-person jury trials, the Chief Justice of Indiana's Supreme Court said the suspension of trials till March is warranted, saying, quote, "There is more we must do and we must act now." We talked with the head of the local public defender's office about how those sitting in jail charged with crimes are getting hurt by this order. And we spoke with the Sheriff's Department commander about the impact to numbers in the county jail. First, a local criminal judge on the tall task managed by the state Supreme Court of making sure a defendant's legal rights are weighed properly against public health concerns.
The court has been very clear with us that we must protect people's constitutional rights to a jury trial. We must be very protective of their speedy jury trial rights. By the same token, however, we have to balance those constitutional rights with public safety.
It's frustrating because the clients understand, but they're still angry. But I get it, and I get the Supreme Court too. We have to keep people safe.
Presently, it's not going to change what we do in the jail. Time will tell if it'll cause our population to increase a little bit.
Now, Deputy Chief Hirschberger, you just heard from there as we hear a siren going off behind me, is hopeful many of the cases where jury trials are scheduled can be resolved through some type of plea bargain to help move some inmates out of the jail population. The Allen County Prosecutor's Office saying today, in addition to criminal defendants, quote, "The suspension of jury trials is frustrating for victims, witnesses, police, and prosecutors," saying participants need finality and closure. Going on to say, quote, "It's hard to heal when the trials are repeatedly delayed." Tom, Linda, back to you.
Yeah, the coronavirus crisis having so many impacts. Now we're seeing it in the courts as well. Jeff, thanks for that live report.